There it is. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. Will solo sail away. So today topic we're talking about what is the best cruise ship on Virgin Voyages with solo sailors. The first ship we have is the original Scarlet Lady. Scarlet Lady is a great ship. It offers many different type of entertainment, many dining options, and so much to do. And different classes you can take. No wonder a lot of solo sailors enjoy going on the Scarlet Lady. Second, we have the Valiant Lady. The Valiant Lady is the sister ship to the Scarlet Lady, and it has a little twist with it. It has a lot of the same stuff, entertainment and stuff that you can do on the Scarlet Lady, but it's a little smaller with just a little twist. But guess what? You got endless entertainment, many type of dining options, and many things that you can do on the ship too as well. That part. Number three is the Resilient Lady. Resilient Lady is the newest addition to the Virgin Voyages fleet. It has solo travelers in mind with 46 solo cabins. It still have a lot of entertainment. It still have a lot of good dining options and many different things that you can do. And also, if you want to step away and don't be in all the different type of activities that's going on and want that type of long time or just chill and read a book, guess what? The Resilient Lady got it. The Valiant Lady got it. The Scarlet Lady got it. Now, it's kind of hard to choose, huh? Last but not least is ship number 4, which is the Brilliant Lady. The Brilliant Lady is set to set sail in 2025. I don't have a lot of information about the Brilliant Lady, but when that information come available and I get it, you already know that I'm going to make a video about the Brilliant Lady. So there you have it. Which Virgin Voyages ship do you think is the best for solo travelers? It's really up to you. It's your own preference of what you're interested in, what you're feeling, and what you want. And there you have it. Peace. This is Solo Sail Away with your boy, Coby. And smash that like button and subscribe. Peace.